In this video, I'm going to show you how to export video in Capcut PC. So first of all, what you're going to do is you are going to open Capcut in your system. If you already have an icon of Capcut on your desktop, you can just simply double click on it to open it. But if you don't have an icon of Capcut on your desktop, you are going to type into the search box of Windows for Capcut. And after that, you will be able to see here Capcut in the search results. Just click on that and then Capcut will be opened. Once you are here, you are going to click on New Project to start creating a new video. And after that, you can import files from here. Then you can drag it to your timeline, or you can also click on this plus button and it will be the same. For example, I want to export this video. For this, what you're going to do is you are going to click on this export button located at the upper right side of the screen. Once you click on that, you will be able to see here export settings. First of all, you will be able to set the name of your file. So for example, I want to save this video as name example. And after that, you can select the folder in which you want to export your file. You can simply do this by clicking on this folder icon over here. And after that, you can just go to any folder to which you want to export your file. For example, I'm going to export my files on desktop. If I open this folder, I am able to see here two more folders. So for example, you want to set the second folder as the location where your file will be exported. For this, you can just click on that folder and then you can click on select folder. Once you have done that, you will be able to see here the quality settings of the video. First of all, you are able to set the resolution of video. If you click on this arrow over here, you will be able to see here all the options along that setting. After that, you will be able to see here bitrate. I will recommend you to just set it to recommended. Otherwise, you can also set to lower, higher, or any customized. If you click on customized, you will be able to put here the value of bitrate. For now, I'm going to select this to recommended. Then you will be able to see here codec option. You can just click on that and here you will be able to see here three options. Again, I will recommend you to go with H.264. Then you can set the frame rate of your video. So you can select any of these according to the media you imported. After that, you can just click on export to start exporting your video. And you want to wait until this loading has been completed.